In NBA 2K24 for current gen, selecting the best jump shot is essential for any player looking to excel on the court. A good jump shot combines a quick release, smooth mechanics, and high accuracy. Those three, giving players the ability to score consistently from mid-range or beyond the arc. One of the most popular jump shot bases is Oscar Robertson, known for its fluidity and fast release, making it an ideal choice for both spot-up shooters and those who pull up off the dribble. This base works well with various upper releases, offering versatility depending on your preferred playstyle. Another effective base is LaMarcus Aldridge, which provides a higher release point, making it harder for defenders to contest your shot. This base is especially beneficial for taller players or those who often face defensive pressure. Pairing it with an upper release like Kobe Bryant or Paul George enhances both speed and smoothness, ensuring that your shot is both quick and accurate. Additionally, shot timing plays shot timing plays a key role in determining your success with the jump shot. So, preferring your release timing through practice, perfecting your release time through practice is essential as it allows you to consistently green your shots, especially in high pressure situations. Ultimately, the best jump shot in NBA 2K24 for current gen is one that feels comfortable and suits your shooting preferences, both, offering speed and precision.